Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here at Viktoria Metro station in Athens, Greece. The last time I was here, I did a video on Is Athens Dangerous? And I walked from Viktoria down to Omonia. That was at night. Today, I'm going to do it on a Saturday afternoon to see the difference of what that walk looks like and what the area is like now in the daytime and around Omonia. So let's go take a walk. So this is the square here. There's an entrance to the train heading to Omonia. There's somebody selling Vodafone SIM cards, which obviously is geared towards tourists, so there's definitely tourists staying over here in this area because it's cheaper, and so is the area of Omonia as well. So I'm going to walk around this neighborhood and you can decide for yourself if one, it looks as, I don't know, shady as it does at night, or two, does it look fine and maybe this is an area you want to stay at the next time you're in Athens because it's cheaper and it's close to the city center. Seems kind of quiet for a Saturday afternoon. A lot of stores don't look to be open. And you got, of course, the gambling shops all over the place. And speaking of vices, of course, you see those white lights. That's the red light or white light district of Athens, if you know what I mean. So far, in my opinion, it's like pretty much a lot of Greek neighborhoods or a lot of Athens neighborhoods. And this street is Archanon, which goes all the way north into the neighborhood I'm staying in around the Agios Nikolas metro station, close to Katopatisia. That's where I usually stay, and it's not that much different from this neighborhood, to tell you the truth. This is definitely a neighborhood of a lot of immigrants to Greece, I would say. And that kind of goes for most cities. When people move up, they move out of the city and move to the suburbs. Like in Greece, it's Lifada and Vula and all of those areas. And this area with these hookah bars and whatnot actually seems more lively at night.
What the fuck, man?
I've eaten at this place, it's pretty good. If I wasn't making this video, I'd probably stop for a Hito. I guess I'll get one in around Monastiraki. That's what Athens is missing, is a city bike program. They don't have one, and those are real convenient. And I don't know, one or two times before I was here, I was trying to get a bike, and because they don't have that, I was trying to rent a bike from a rent-a-bike store, and I don't know what happened, but every store was either closed or out of business or something like that. I wasn't able to get one. So not that crowded. I don't know. It's Greeks don't really take siestas, and it's not that warm. It's almost past the middle of September. I think it's September 20th today. 19th or 20th, something like that. That was pretty good. So not much scary to see here or anything like that. Last time I commented about the bars on these windows going all the way to the top, that it must be a bad area if they have bars all the way to the top floor. But a lot of people commented that it is some kind of either a police holding cell or some kind of I don't know, mental facility or something along those lines, and that's why the bars are there, to keep people from jumping out, not to keep people from trying to rob it or something. So up the street here is Omonia Square. This place, La Famiglia, a mobster themed Italian restaurant or something. So I think one of the first videos I did of Omonia was in the daytime in a cab coming with my cousin to Omonia, and this area right here had like a permanent encampment of drug addicts or homeless people or some combination of the two. I've been here back a number of years now and I haven't seen them, although still a few stragglers around or whatever. And I've seen a lot of people make this comment that I only show negative videos of Greece or of Athens. I only show the bad parts. Well, that's actually the ones that people watch. Whenever I see that comment, I say I have over 80 or 90 videos on YouTube of just Greece, of all the good things. Akrata, Kalamata, Zakynthos, all these nice places. But the videos that get the most views are the ones that show, you know, danger or bad area or something like that. So that's not my fault. That's your fault for what you watch, right? Okay, so up the street here is Omonia. So guys, what's the verdict on Omonia and this area? Is it safe like Disneyland or something like that? Of course not. There's still drug addicts and drugs and stuff, and I wouldn't be somebody walking around here late at night by themselves to go to their hotel or something like that. It's still a little shady. It's getting better, yes, but it is not not Park Avenue in New York or something like that. It still is a not so nice area, but the trade-off is you could get some cheap hotels and things like that. It's a little like Times Square in New York City, where in the late 80s they started cleaning it up, getting rid of the adult movie theaters and all that on the main street there, and then Disney came in and all these other companies and started trying to clean it up, and big chains and stuff like that started getting stores there. But if you go a few blocks off of Times Square, you can still run into problems. So that's kind of like what Omonia is, in my opinion. But it seems every year I get here, it looks a little better and better. I don't know. That's just what it seems like to me. Maybe I'll do another walk here tonight on a Saturday night and see what it looks like. Some police out here. We got the Ando Center Cosmetics and shampoos and toiletries and all that kind of stuff, hair care. And ever since they finally fixed the fountain over here, the area looks a lot nicer. Before it looked a lot more run down. Not that it's sparkling or glittering now, but definitely taking steps in the right direction. guys, that's a look at what it looks like to walk from Victoria Station along Arcanon over to Omonia. The area definitely seems to be getting better, albeit slowly. Just like in any big city though, if you walk around late at night on empty streets drunk with a Rolex or a big gold chain or something like that, you attract the attention of people that otherwise would have left you alone. So keep that in mind. It's not it's not super safe, it's not super dangerous as you see me walking right now. So I hope you like this video, and for anybody that's thinking of staying over here and maybe are watching videos that says it's all dangerous and stuff like that, maybe this video will give you a better understanding of what the area is really like. And so maybe it's nice enough that you want to consider staying here and getting a cheaper hotel rate, and you can just walk down Athens over here to go to Monastiraki at night. So I hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.